Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to describe a challenging situation you faced and how you overcome from it.
The challenging situation that comes to mind was during my first year of university when I took on a course load that was more than I could handle. It was the second semester, and I had signed up for 5 courses, including one that was a prerequisite for the rest of my program. I quickly realized that I had bitten off more than I could chew and was struggling to keep up with the workload. What made the situation challenging was that I had never experienced academic difficulty before, and I didn't know how to ask for help. I felt embarrassed and ashamed that I wasn't able to manage my studies, and I was worried about what my parents and peers would think. To deal with the situation, I reached out to my professors and academic advisors for support. I explained my situation and asked for advice on how to improve my grades and manage my workload. They were understanding and supportive and provided me with study tips, resources, and extra help sessions. In addition, I also learned to prioritize my time and focus on the courses that were most important for my program. I dropped one of the courses that I wasn't doing well in and put more effort into the others. I also developed better study habits, such as time blocking and taking breaks, to avoid burnout. Through this experience, I learned the importance of asking for help when needed and not being ashamed of my weaknesses. I also learned that it's okay to make mistakes and that failure is a natural part of the learning process. By seeking support and making changes to my study habits, I was able to turn my grades around and feel more confident in my abilities.